Welcome back to my YouTube channel Matrix.by Nilkamal. I will take continue in this channel limit chapter from class 11th and taking continue the concept of logarithmic formula of the limits. First we'll study what is the formula and how to apply the formula in the logarithmic functions, and after that we can find the limit of that functions. Let's start. What is the formula? Formula is limit the function 1 plus x raised to 1 by x as x tends to 0 is equal to e. Means limit of this function is e. How to apply this formula? Here is given 1 plus x, but raised is 1 by x, means reciprocal of x is 1 by x. If any question is given in this form, therefore limit will be e. For example, if limit x tends to 0, 1 plus 5x right here, and reciprocal of 5x is 1 by 5x, therefore limit will be e. Just like if limit x tends to 0 and 1 plus 5 by x is given here, 5 by x, therefore raised will be 1 by 5 by x. That will be limit x tends to 0, 1 plus 5 by x, there will be x by 5. This means what? Reciprocal of 5 by x is x by 5, therefore limit of this function also be e. With the help of this and this, we can find the limit of logarithmic functions. Let's start first question. Question is that limit of function 1 plus 5x by 7 raised to 1 by x as x tends to 0. This question will be changed into this form, and after changing this form we can find the limit of that functions. Therefore after that we can write it limit x tends to 0, 1 plus 5x by 7. Here is given raised 1 by x, but question is saying that here is 1, therefore raised will be reciprocal of that. Therefore raised will be reciprocal of that. Therefore 1 by x change into this form. Therefore 1 by reciprocal of this 5x by 7 and into 5 by 7. Therefore limit of this (5 by x), this change into this form, limit x tends to 0, 1 plus 5x by 7, this change 7 by 5x. Therefore limit of this, here is given into multiply raised 5 by 7. Therefore this will be in the form of this. Therefore limit of this will be only e. Therefore e and raised to 5 by 7. Therefore this limit of this function is e raised to 5 by 7. It is your answer. And after that we are taking the next question. Question is that find the limit 5 minus 7x by 5 plus 7x raised to 1 by x as x tends to 0. Therefore this question we have to change into this form, and after changing this form we can find the limit. Therefore after that we can write this question x tends to 0, here will be 1. If take here 5 common and here also common, therefore will 5 1 minus 3xy 5 by 5 1 plus 7xy 5 and raised to 1 by x. After that 5 and 5 cancel. This has the range 1 by x and this has the range 1 by x. Therefore we write separately limit x tends to 0 and there will be 1 minus 3x by 5 and 1 by x, and there will be limit x tends to 0 1 plus 7x by 5 raised to 1 by x. After that, here is given x and reciprocal of this will be 1 by x in place of 1 by x, and reciprocal of this will be here. Therefore we write as limit x tends to 0 1 minus 3x by 5 raised to reciprocal of this will be minus 3 by x and into 3 by 5. This will be also limit x tends to 0 1 plus 7x by 5 raised to 5 by 7x into 7 by 5. Look here, here is given minus 3x by 5. Therefore reciprocal of this will be minus 5 by 3x, and this can be write as this form, and it is also write as in this form. Therefore limit of this will be e, and this gives also e. Therefore e raised to 3 by 5, here is given minus, therefore also will be minus 3 by 5. Therefore write 3 by 5 and e raised to 7 by 5. E raised to minus 3 by 5, there will be changed into minus 7 by 5. Therefore e raised to minus 10 by 5 is equal to e raised to minus 2 or 1 by e square. Therefore 1 by e square or e raised to minus 2 is limit of these functions. Hence we see that how to change the question in the formula form, and after changing the formula form we can find the limit of that functions. Thus today's topic finish. After that I will take the next formula, that is the logarithmic formula. Limit x tends to 0 log of 1 plus x whole upon x is equal to 1. Therefore keep watching, continue my channel mathtricks.by-nilkamal and get more and more videos and solution of the questions. After that limit I will take continue derivative, means differentiation of the functions,